Consider the following intramolecular aldol condensation reaction. So X is reactant which on aldol condensation is forming a product. And how many carbon atoms are there in the product? 9 carbon atoms. So the reactant also should have 9 carbon atoms. Let us see among these 4 options which option is possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Means option A is possible because it is having 9 carbon atoms. Option B, 8 carbon atoms only are there, not possible. Option C, 7 carbon atoms only are there, not possible. Option D, 9 carbon atoms are there, possible. Now let us go with option A and check. This is option A. When this compound is treated with base, 1 alpha hydrogen atom should go. So let us suppose alpha hydrogen atom on the second carbon atom is going. So second carbon atom should form a bond with 7th carbon atom. Second carbon atom should form a bond with 7th carbon atom. So what will I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom ring I will get. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom ring I am getting. What is there on the first carbon atom? There is methyl group. There is methyl group on the first carbon atom. Second carbon atom I have double bond O. Okay. And 6th carbon atom what I have? OH and ethyl group. OH and ethyl group. Okay. But in the given product, so what this on heating, what will I get? Methyl. Sorry. Now, this is the compound. This compound is treated with base. Let us suppose OH abstracts hydrogen from the second carbon atom. So, second carbon atom should form a bond with 7th carbon atom. Means I will get a 6-membered ring. What is there? 6-membered ring means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-membered ring. On the second carbon atoms, now second carbon atom in the open chain will be first carbon atom in the ring. So on the first carbon atom, what will be there? There will be methyl group. Second carbon atom, there is double bond O. On 6th carbon atom, you will have OH and ethyl, which on heating loses a molecule of water. So what is the product obtained? Double bond O, ethyl, and here double bond. But this is not the product obtained. So option A is not possible because the final product is not this one. Now let us check option D. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let us suppose third carbon atom will form a bond with 8th carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-membered ring you will get. We will get a 6-membered ring. Abstract hydrogen from third carbon atom, and third carbon atom will form a bond with 8th carbon atom. So what will I get? A 6-membered ring I will get. Okay. So 6-membered ring On the sixth carbon atom, or this is on this carbon atom, there will be OH and CH3. On the first carbon atom, we have, on the other side we have C double bond O CH3. This compound on heating loses a molecule of water. So what will I get? CH3 double bond C double bond O CH3. This is the same product. So what is your answer here is option D. Option D, what will it give on treatment with OH minus followed by heating? I'll get this is the product uptake. Okay, so option D should be your answer.